Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is still pretty much at the same price level that when I made my video earlier today. And we're going to take a look at how the price has developed and if we see any news or new developments in the chart in terms of the waves that are emerging. Overall, we can see that pretty much in line with Bitcoin, most cryptos are in the red. Nothing major at the moment here going on. So in terms of what is Bitcoin doing, my view is still that hasn't changed throughout this the last few weeks here. It hasn't changed that we are in a wave 4. Now how we count this wave 4 did change a couple of times, but all of these scenarios that are unfolding here are currently only corrective in nature, meaning not bullish. Means that there is no evidence in the chart that would tell me that the overall low is already in at Bitcoin. Some people already say that the low is in here at this low for Bitcoin. Now it could be, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, it could be because it reached this overall target area between 20 and 28.6k that I've been highlighting since the end of November. But there is not yet the evidence that we have seen here a really bullish reaction. Yeah, so all of this looks still very corrective, a lot of overlaps. Also the Elliott Wave count that is possible here is corrective in nature. In a wave 4, you often get these triangles. So we have here a wave A, B, C, D, E. That's a triangle. With this triangle, I've been telling you for the last few days, it is more likely that we break here out of the triangle to the downside. With this latest move here to the upside, the price did not break above the invalidation point. Above the invalidation point, this triangle count would not have been possible anymore, but you can see how relevant that level was at $30,725 here, the wave C high, yeah, didn't break above it, and then as we approached that line, it actually showed a very strong reaction and did start to move down as expected. Now I believe we are, and that is still in line with what I told you in the previous video, we are here already in an impulsive wave down. Could have seen the wave 1 and 2 already, the wave 3 as well, and we might now be in the wave 4. Could the wave 4 be finished already? Probably not yet. I looked at the chart earlier this morning and said to myself, well, theoretically the wave 4 could have been finished here, but we are currently making a slightly higher high again, so probably not yet. And also we can't count that properly as a 4-wave move, so a 3-wave move, because what you need to see in a wave 4 as well, we want to see here a wave A, B, C. Yeah, so I think we're going to go a little bit higher here in this wave 4. Let's take a look at what the Fibonacci retracement levels are telling us. And obviously earlier today I told you in my earlier update that we expect now in a wave 4 here a little bit of a retracement, and that that did unfold here. We came up higher. Let me just check here the fibs. So we take the length of the wave 3. I don't know why it's not doing it right at this moment. So there you go. And then we look at the retracement levels, and if we draw here properly the fibs, because we want to be accurate, take it from the high here, from the beginning of the wave 3 to the low of the wave 3, and we can see that is what I mentioned earlier in the video. We did already the minimum retracement in the wave 4. The minimum is the 23.6% fib level. Now the most likely retracement for a wave 4 is usually here the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, and that would be in this case at $29,512. Yeah, so this is where I would primarily expect the price to get to if it makes a new high. It actually currently doesn't. I thought it would, but you can see how relevant this level here is at 29.4k. It did get rejected, so you know, I can't tell you if it's finished now or not, but here's a decision point. Yeah, if it gets rejected here once more, which it did before, then it could be quite likely that actually we are going to go down from here in this white wave 5, yeah, and complete the first impulse down. It could now be, however, also that we move a little bit higher here in this wave C, complete here the 38.2% fib level at 29.5k, or even go to the 50% FIB retracement at 29.7. So both of these levels are still possible, and we just need to wait now how the wave 4 is going to unfold. A wave 4 in a wave 4. That's the most horrible. No, actually we are not in a wave 4 anymore, right? We finished the wave 4 up here. That red wave 4 was finished up here. We're now in a wave 4 in a first wave 1 down. Okay, and when that is finished, I do expect another leg down in a wave 5. It would be great if in that wave 5 here we get to 28.6k, because what we want to do, we want to cut below the BD line here that you can see. The BD line is, if that happened now, would be at, well, 28.9. Yeah, this is what we want to get below to really confirm that we are here in an impulse to make a lower low. And I think a 28.6k level for this impulse 1 2 3 4 5 for this wave 5 here, yeah, to complete the impulse would be realistic. After this, we will see this impulse to be corrected. So there will be a corrective wave, because what we can see here, after completion of that E wave of the wave 4, you see now a first impulse down. That is a wave 1 again to the downside. Then we are going to see a wave 2 to the upside, and a wave 3 to the downside, a wave 4 to the upside, and a wave 5 to the downside. That last wave 5 then will complete overall here, in my opinion, the overall correction in which Bitcoin is currently in. So yeah, it's an interesting time at the moment. I think we have a good chance that this really is the impulsive wave down, and I would expect now maybe a little bit of a further move up. No need to do it, yeah, but then also a move down that would go below 28.9k in an ideal case, to confirm that we are really here in an impulsive wave down. So hopefully that clears up my expectation. If we, for whatever reason, move up higher and get above $30,725, that would invalidate this whole count here, and we would then look at an extended wave 4. Yeah, we would still be in a wave 4. It just changes the way how I count here this wave 4. But either way, if we get higher to that $30,725 level again, we would expect some resistance there. If we break above it, yes, it would be, let's say, short-term bullish, but it would not change here in any way the overall expectation of what is going to happen after the wave 4 is finished, which would then mean that we are going to go lower here in a final wave 5, and will actually break down and finish the overall correction off, probably in the low 20k area. That is currently how I see it. Okay, and that is my view about Bitcoin. Bear in mind, in 1 hour, pretty much exactly in 1 hour from when I record this video, in the US, the stock market is going to open. That normally is also the time when the crypto market shows highest volatility. Yeah, so in the next 4 to 5 hours, there will be highest volatility. So yeah, it will be interesting how that is playing out, and I will definitely keep you updated. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course that I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.